Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Subnautica 2 black screen on launch problem. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once you open this, go to display. Scroll a bit till you find graphics. Once you click on it, click your search list and type in Subnautica. And once you find it, you want to expand it and make sure you put it to high performance. Don't put it on power saving or let Windows decide, just put it on high performance. Exit out of this. Click here, open your NVIDIA app. Make sure to download the latest game ready drivers if you haven't done that in like a while. What also you can do is go to system and you can turn off G-Sync if you have it enabled already. So click off and then apply. And you can go to settings also and disable the NVIDIA overlay. And after you've done that, you can also limit the FPS in the game. Maybe that's causing the issue. And to do that, you want to right click on NVIDIA app, go to control panel, go to manage 3D settings, go to program settings. And in here, it will be a list. You click here and find Subnautica. I'll show you on Roblox. Once you find it, scroll a bit till you find max frame rate. You want to click here once, click on, and then you want to cap your FPS to like whatever your GPU supports, or like if you have high refresh rate monitor or like a regular one, you can cap it at like, I don't know, 120 if your PC can handle it, or higher. And once you cap it here, you can uncap it in the game. What also you can do, if you bought it through Steam, you want to open Steam, go to library, find your game. Like find Subnautica 2, right click on it, click manage, click browse local files. And once you find it in here, you want to right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and you want to tick disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin. And once you do that, click apply, okay. And if you're using if you're playing through Xbox app, here's what you could do. Go to this PC, local disk C, Xbox games. Here it will say Subnautica 2. You want to click on it, click content, and then find exe, which is usually this. And you want to do the same. Click once on it, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and you want to enable both, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an admin. Once you've done that, you can exit out of this and then try relaunching the game. Also, if you have any third-party software that can interfere with the game, you should disable it, like any other antivirus that is not the Windows Defender virus, or like MS Afterburner. It can cause issues and the game crashes. You want to close it fully. Any 3D rendering softwares, anything else, basically everything that it can interfere with the game and the launch, you should disable. And once you've done all of that, and try maybe restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and hopefully that fixes your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Subnautica 2 black screen on launch problem. Hopefully this helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.